for a long time. I wanted to learn certain piano techniques, and to a great extent, I did. But I had no guidance, so I drifted into other practice. Yet somewhere deep in my heart, a feeling remained that a secret was still waiting. I stayed curious, quietly searching. Then one day, my Lord showed mercy, and I found a guide. He gave me just one clue and said, "Try yourself. If you search, you will find what comes through effort stays forever." Today, as I played those piano scales, there was a hidden truth inside that secret, something no master could truly teach, and no amount of wealth in the world could buy. For a few moments, even Elon Musk felt poor to me, because what touches the soul can never be purchased. It is only a blessing. Then it happened, as if I was standing inside a lake, leaves from the trees floating on the water. A fairy, like moonlight, came close to me. I placed my hand over the water, and she stepped onto my hand, walking gently, as if I was guiding her across the lake. Then her feet became my hands, and my hands became piano notes. She walked like my fingers were touching clouds of cotton. And then my eyes slowly closed, and for a few moments I entered a world where no one existed, only her and me.